Hi, in this video, we're going to see a quick overview on how to use the time card application. So to clock in, the very first step, it's going to be clicking on the number one icon, this one right here. Second step, it's going to be for us to select the task and the subtask, if applicable, that we are going to perform. So I'm going to take this one as an example. Now we're going to select the subtask. And as you can see, the number one icon, it's going to be in red color. This is for us to know that we are currently clocked in. And you can also double check your task and your subtask on the status bar right here at the bottom. If you need to change your task during the day, remember to use the number three icon, just like that. And you can use it all the times you need during the day. But remember, this one right here, number one, we'll use it just twice during the day. At the beginning of your shift to clock in, and at the end of your shift to clock out. Now, to take breaks, we're going to be using the number two icon, the one with the little coffee mug. So once we click on it, we're going to see different break types. So according to the one you are going to take, that's the one you'll need to select. Now, as you can see, once we select the break, the number two icon will be the one in red color. This is for you to know that you are currently taking a break. Once the break is over, all you need to do is click on the number two icon again. This is going to end the break. And as you can see here at the bottom, it's going to take you back to your previous task before taking the break. Now, to complete the forms, we're going to need to click on the menu right here on the top right corner, access the forms section. Here we have a few samples. So let's go with a vehicle inspection. So as you can see here, you are going to have different fields that you need to complete. So for example, this one, it's a drop-down menu. So once you click on it, you will need to select one of the answers. This one right here, it's a notes field. So you just need to type the information right there. Another drop-down menu and so on. This one right here on the top, it's what we call a group, meaning that once you click on it, this will take you to a new section inside that group for you to answer the questions that were added on it. So let's take a quick look. Here we have a date field, very useful for setting up new appointments. So let's say that the new appointment, it's going to be next week on the 23rd. And we can also select at what time. So let's say 8 a.m. in the morning. If you need to go back to complete more fields on the same form, all you need to do is click on this arrow. And as you can see, we are back at the beginning of the form. But once you are ready with all the fields that you needed to complete, just click on Done on the top right corner. That is going to take you here. Then we just need to go back one more time. And as you can see, we're back at the main screen. Now to clock out, all we need to do is click on number one icon again. If you have any questions like a login form that you need to answer, please do so. Now done. Here we have another clockout form. So let me just go ahead and answer those questions. Remember, depending on the organization settings, you might need or not answer these type of questions. Premium pay question, signature, confirm. And once you see the two green and two gray icons again, it means that there's no more interaction between your device, the application, and the time card organization. Thank you.